Hey guys, it's Brennan with Intelligent Tech Gurus. I am doing a video about a new search engine that indexes all dark web onion websites. That's kind of like the Google for the dark web, and I'm going to show you how to use it anonymously after this. By the way, I am not condoning using the dark web for any purpose whatsoever, including legal or illegal. And I do not condone using the dark web unless you are fully sure you know what you're doing. And I allow you to explore with curiosity. Just know that probably 99.9% of what you see on there is scam and is definitely not something you want to do anything about in terms of business or anything like that. And just knowing what you're getting into before you're going onto the dark web and onto this Tor 66 search engine is probably going to be your own doing. And so just know that when you're going into it, and know that I'm not condoning using this for any purpose. What you're going to do is boot up your virtual machine that you want to be using. I'm using Kali Purple for this instance because this is a decent machine that I have installed Tor on. If you don't have Tor installed on this, if you have a fresh Kali install, that's okay. What you're going to do is run this command sudo apt install -y tor space tor browser launcher, and it'll install all the Tor browser tools that you will use on this tutorial. What you're going to do to launch a Tor browser session is to run this command tor browser launcher in terminal, and it is going to launch a Tor browser session on Kali. What you'll do is click on this connect button, and it's going to establish a connection to the Tor network, which is awesome. And what you're going to do is, what's cool is this, you can use DuckDuckGo to search for Tor 66, and it will take you to, it'll list a bunch of search results for this onion indexer and search directory. So what's cool about Tor 66 is that before I found out about this, it was a lot of different ways you can go about searching for onion sites. Essentially, what you would do is you would use all these different sites to kind of come up with these .onion addresses. And what's cool is that someone came up with this search engine and .onion website list, which I will say again, when you go on this, just know that this is a search engine that has a search box to search for keywords that you want. This search engine is completely anonymous and is encrypted to keep the search intentions that users perform safe. I don't know how true that is or not. Just know that this Tor 66 search engine is very similar to others on the deep web, and it stands out from the rest for being a powerful crawler. So what this did was this went across the internet and looked for all the .onion addresses. And it's cool because you could actually list your own .onion site on this, and it'll list it for you. And if you wish, you can contract the advertising offered in the form of an advertising banner, which is kind of interesting. Definitely don't condone selling drugs or trafficking humans or doing any illegal activity on these sites. But this Tor 66 search engine is going to offer search functionality for all onion links using a search bar. And like I said, it's just kind of interesting. So you have this interesting kind of way to search for these dark websites now using this. And what you'll do is you'll find it yourself. So you'll click on this onion address, and this is the Tor 66 site. And what's interesting, I'm going to kind of blur out what's being shown here because it's not good, and YouTube's going to probably want to ban this if I show some of these like sex sites and stuff like that. That's not what we're condoning here. What I'm condoning is finding the fresh onions that come out. So there's going to be a list of new onion sites that come out, but sometimes I go on and make sure that my information is not out there on any .onion sites. And so I searched for my name and I found 0 onion sites found, which is great. What you can do, what's cool, is there's a classic view and a gallery view, which I think was pretty cool. So that's kind of a useful thing right there. But if you want to, you can click on these fresh onions link. And like I said, I'm gonna blank out some of this, what is shown here, because not all of this is legal. And like I said, some of this is about selling illegal substances and activities. But you get the idea. If you're curious about what's out there, what people are putting on the dark web, this is kind of what you will see as something that will be shown to you on this. So I just wanted to show you guys that this is out there. Again, I'm not condoning using this for anything, for any purpose whatsoever, especially any illegal purpose, but I just wanted to let you know that this is out there, and this is how you would go about searching for this anonymously and connecting to it. I hope this has been helpful. This kind of goes along with the tutorial that I was showing people how to surf the web anonymously. This is another way to search the dark web from an anonymous fashion. There are deeper, more anonymous ways of doing this, but this is probably the least anonymous way of searching the dark web. There's definitely more we could do to make ourselves more anonymous in this purpose, but I just wanted to show you that. Please subscribe and like this video on my YouTube channel. It is Tech Intel Training on YouTube, and feel free to join my Facebook group if you haven't already. And for those who are watching this from my YouTube or from my Facebook group, thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this, and invite anyone else into the group that you'd want to show this type of information to. I would greatly appreciate it. And we'll be coming out with a tutorial very soon that'll be showing people how to use more hacking tools, more cybersecurity specialist training tools to use for yourself, and how to get more involved in the cyber tech intelligence community. Thanks for watching.